Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday the 11th of May 2004. It's about 10 to 1 in the afternoon. Nearly 27 degrees outside and very, very sunny. We are in the middle of some major X-class solar flares at the moment, so band conditions may be a bit flaky, but today we're going to have a play around on 20 metres and we're going to see if we can work some people on data modes. So we're going to try PSK31, Olivia and RTTY and see how that goes. So let's go straight into it and see how we get on. So I've got the transmitter set to repeat every 60 seconds, so I don't have to keep clicking the transmit button. But as you can see on the waterfall display there, there's there's no activity whatsoever. So anyway, let's carry on, see how we get on with it. Well, there doesn't appear to be much going on there today, so we'll give it another couple of tries and then we'll move over. We'll try some Olivia and see how that goes. Now these data modes are what are known as full duty cycle modes, so it runs the transmitter at full duty. So it's best not to run the transmitter at full power, although this is a 100 watt transmitter. I generally turn it down to about 50 watts, so it's running at half power. It's okay to use it on full duty, on full power when you're using SSB, but for these modes it will just kill your output transistors. So we tend to run about 50 watts. Well, there we are. Excuse me. Doesn't appear to be much going on there at the moment, so we'll switch the repeat off and we'll select Olivia, and we'll choose Olivia 8250, which is the most common one, and we'll go somewhere up around about 2500 Hz, so we're away from the PSK 31 boys if and when they turn up. So once again we'll hit the repeat button and just let it do its thing, so it will transmit the call once every 60 seconds. So let's try that, see if we get any luck with this one. And as you can see, this mode takes a lot longer to send the same amount of text. It takes, I don't know what, 45 seconds or so to send the same amount of text. But it's fairly good, this mode. It's quite error free, so you get either solid copy or not very good copy at all. So we'll carry on. We'll give a few shouts on here and see if we get any luck. You never know. So it takes a little bit longer than 45 seconds. It's about 1 minute and 15 seconds to send that amount of text there. This one, of course, will cane your output transistors. So again, we limit it to about 50 watts, and then 1 minute in between for the radio to cool down a bit. So we'll give it 1 or 2 more tries, then we'll try a bit of RTTY, and if nothing happens there, we'll call it a day. Okay, so we'll give it just one more go, then we'll move over to RTTY. Well, there we are. That was Olivia. I don't know why it's called Olivia. Maybe that's the name of the person that invented it. But anyway, so there's nothing going on there. So we'll have a go on RTTY, or RTTY as it's known as. Now, RTTY, radio teletype, is a mode of operation that's been in use for probably 80 or 90 years. And it was originally done on mechanical machines. It uses what's known as a 5-bit Baudot code, and it encompasses all of the alphabet and the numbers and a few control characters and punctuations. So this was used a lot in World War II, or variations of it. Now, Adolf Hitler had a machine called a Geheimschreiber, which means secret writer, which was based on RTTY. And what they did was they introduced a random character into the stream, which was added to the stream, and then the messages were sent over the air using a variant of RTTY. At the receiving end, that character was then subtracted from the stream, and then you revealed your plain text, and that's it in a very simplistic form. But okay, we'll give RTTY a try. So let me get that set up, and we'll see if we get any luck with that. I'm not holding out much hope, but we'll see. We'll give it a go. You can see there was somebody just a bit further up towards the right hand end of the band there, somebody else sending RTTY, but we'll hang around on our frequency and see if anybody comes back to us. Well, okay, we'll just give it one more go after this and then call it a day. To be fair, this is just a test that I'm doing to make sure that I've got all my window captures and audio inputs set up correctly on OBS. So, a bit disappointing that we didn't make any contact, but as I say, it's just really a test, to be fair to you guys that may be watching and listening. And I'm just testing to make sure it all works. So one more go, then we'll call it a day. Well, no, it doesn't look like anybody's going to come back to us. I'm not surprised, really. As I say, we're in the middle of a solar storm at the moment, so the bands are probably going to be quite flat. But there it is. Thank you for tuning in, and sorry if I bored the arses off you with no results whatsoever. But as I say, this is really just a test for me to make sure that I've got my window captures and my audio captures set up correctly. And it looks like I probably have. It all seems to be working. So 73s, and thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.